16. That thy days may be long. When the Ten Commandments require the honour of parents from us, they tell us also that God promises long life to the peoples and nations which keep His law. To honour parents and grandparents means to honour our source of life, and we can receive little from those whom we do not respect. To gain honour, we must give honour where honour is due. Romans 13:7. There's more to this. A society which doesn't honour parents, its past, will not treat with respect its children, the future. Such a society will be prone to national and personal debt living. Its premise is, let the future pay, which is a sign of contempt for children and grandchildren. I believe there's a correlation between the weakness and decline of Christian faith and the rise of national debts. In fact, at one time, national debts didn't exist. They're an invention of the modern age and one of its greatest curses. The world wasn't empty when we came into it. We must not leave it emptier for having been here. Our duty is to leave it richer and better because we've shown our gratitude to the Lord by being productive Christians. As a working premise, we're told, quote, owe no man anything but to love one another, Romans 13:8. Instead of decreasing the bounty and richness of God's earth, we must increase it. Then indeed we have the promise, as persons and nations, of long life on God's earth. Exodus 20:12.